better for now. Now the woman for this side. For Senegal, na country. Some dream person dey for say they sleep. He don't dream say Senegal na a country. Na a dream country. I tell you say if you na sleep, if you na dream, we go for the sleep. He say no na palabra sleep and dream. Na say he be very serious. Say Senegal na a dream country. He the dream say tomorrow, if you go Senegal, stay small for Senegal. I say okay, we don't hear the story. If Senegal na a dream country, then fine. Now one look at now, story can come out. Say for Senegal, some woman, some girl 28 years. First milk, where you get up? The first milk, he go for go born. He may for go pikin, he go born. Now what's happen for the born? He born 4 pikin. Now congratulations. Ovito say congratulations for the pikin where you don't born. Now God don't give you power for born pikin. No. Congratulations. Now God give you. And so woman they find pikin, they know they get congratulations. You be God bless. Oh, that was started sing my minister. So I'm Jununga Killing with Zote Meni Zote make Yaki, Makama Kuke, Makabu about Juma Zota Radio Kakine. Over the Yarejo, I the singer for now. And then Tabula Roshore over I say, oh, il est né le bébé, oh, il ressemble à tonton. Oh, il est né le bébé, oh, il ressemble à maman. It depends, anyhow you want to make up. Depuis le matin que de la maternité, elle a couché aux 4 enfants. Oh, il est né le bébé. Oh, il ressemble à maman. Now that pikin and that 4. I know say, oh, you born 4 pikin, so for we for ya. Governor and social service, they take their time for say, may they accompany you now. Because, you know, easy. 4 pikin for one time. So one for that side for Mali, be born 9 pikin for one time. 4 girls, 5 boys. One moment, so that woman don't enter for Guinness Book of Record. So 4 na quadruplet. I don't know for you when na 2 pikin they call it say tiny. I don't know what they will call that woman and say crying. That means say tiny, quadrini. And then the master own to go be na no the woman will be the master own a quadrini woman own a Makatini. Yes, 4 pikin. Congratulations for that. Me, you know, easy for Anga. We don't bond that pikin. So, for that side for Senegal.